Hello children, today I am going to explain a new poem. The title of the poem is Run, Run, Run. Alright children, now I ask you some question. You have to think and reply on your own. Look at the title of the poem and guess who runs. poem रा टाइटल को देख ओ अनुमान कर किए दौड़ुछि. Why does he run? से कहीं दौड़ुछि. Why does he run? से क्योंठी को दौड़ुछि. Does he run out of his her own interest or someone asks him her to run? से निजर इच्छा रे दौड़ुछि कि ताहाको दौड़िया पई किए कहूछि. Does he get pleasure out of running? दौड़रू से किछि खुशी पाउछि कि. यही सब प्रश्न उत्तर पाइबा पई चलो आम पोएम टी को पढ़ा. इट इज ए ब्यूटीफुल पोएम written by Mary Dunt. She was a poetess from Ireland. She was born on 6th June 1864. Now I am reading the poem. You have to listen silently. Away from the city and into the sun, out of the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little bridge, run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Once again I am reading the poem. Away from the city and into the sun, out of the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little bridge. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. Now you can read the poem.
Away from the city and into the sun, out of the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little bridge. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, run back, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away.
Alright children, I am explaining all the stanzas one after another. Away from the city, ସହର ଠାରୁ ଦୂରରେ, and into the sun, ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟର ନିକଟକୁ, out of the country, ଗାଁ ଭିତରୁ ବାହାରକୁ ବାହାରି, run, 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 ଦୌଡ଼, ଦୌଡ଼, ଦୌଡ଼. Difficult words are city, it means big town বা বড় সহর. country, rural area বা গ্রামাঞ্চল. The poet is telling children to run. She asks them to run away from crowded cities into the open countryside where they can see a clear sky and feels as if they are running into the sun. They will enjoy the beauty of nature there and also celebrate carefree life. Now stanza 2. Run in the raindrops, ବର୍ଷା ହେଲା ବେଲେ ଦୌଡ଼. Run beneath the trees, ଗଛର ଛାଇ ତଳେ ଦୌଡ଼. Run little races, ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଦୌଡ଼ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା କର. With each little breeze, ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ବହୁଥିବା ମଳ ପବନ ସହ ଦୌଡ଼. Here the difficult word is breeze. It means slow moving wind বা ধীর পবন. In this stanza, the poet asks the child to run when it is raining to enjoy the falling raindrops. She asks them to run in the shadow of the trees and asks to compete with the slowly blowing winds. The children will enjoy their so they should run under the raindrops and make merry themselves. Stanza 3. Run down the hillside, छोट पहाड़ पाख दे दौड़. Run up the lane, गली रास्ता दे दौड़. Run through the meadows, बड़ बड़ घास पड़िया दे दौड़. मेड़ मान घास पड़िया. Then run back again, पुणी दौड़ी दौड़ी फेरी आस. Here the difficult word is meadow. Meadow means grassy land বা ঘাস পড়িয়া. The poet asks the children to enjoy the thrill of running down a hill slope, running up lanes and through meadows. The children feel joy in the lap of nature. They will move in the meadows full of grass. They will also come across various animals. The children will surely love the meadows. Now stanza 4. Run and be merry, दौड़ो खुशी हुओ. Run through the day, दिन सारा दौड़ू थाओ. Run to the country, गाँ भीतर को दौड़ी जाओ. away away, दूर को दौड़ी जाओ एवं दौड़ू थाओ. Run and be merry. Running around will make the children cheerful and happy all through the day. A happy child is active. The children will achieve more and become successful when they are happier. Now let us do the comprehension. Who is the speaker in the poem? यही कवितार स्पीकर किए? The poet is the speaker in the poem. ए कवितार स्पीकर होचंती कवि निजे. How many times does the poet repeat the word run? कवि run शब्दटी को यही पोएम रे केते थरो पुनरावृत्ति करछंती? The poet repeats the word run for 12 times. कवि run शब्द को 12 थर पुनरावृत्ति करिछंती. Is the poet happy? Why not? कवि खुशी अछंती कि काहेकि नुह? Yes, the poet is happy to see a restless child who tries to keep himself full of activities out of routine life. हाँ, कवि खुशी अछंती गोटे व्यस्त शिशु को जे के सर्वदा व्यस्तता भितर बाहरी जावाक चेष्टा करुछि ताको देखि से खुशी हेछंती. Find in the second stanza the word that means under. The word beneath means under in the second stanza. तो द्वितीय स्टांजा रे जो शब्दटीर अर्थ अंडर अटे ताको खोज। द्वितीय स्टांजा थिबा beneath शब्दर अर्थ अंडर। When should one run? Why do you run? जड़े कहीं दौड़ब तुम्हें कहीं दौड़। One should run to get out from laziness. I run to activate myself. जड़े निजर आलस्यपण को परिहार करने निमंते दौड़ब। मु निज को एक्टिव करने निमंते बा मु निज को चलचंचल करने निमंते दौड़बी। There are some words about nature described in the poem. One is the sun. What are the other words? यही कवितारे प्रकृति सहित संपर्क रखिथिबा केते गुडे शब्दर व्यवहार होईची। सेति मध्यर गोटी होची सन। वन इज द सन। तो अन्य शब्द गुडी को कोन कोन? The words related to nature are raindrops, trees, breeze, hillside and meadow. अन्य शब्द गुडी को हेले raindrops, trees, breeze, hillside and meadow. Does the poet like to run in the raindrops? Why not? कवि एई वर्षा पानी रे दौड़बा को पसंद करंती कि काहे नुह? Yes, the poet always likes to run in the raindrops because it gives him nice feeling. हाँ, कवि वर्षा रे दौड़बा को चाहती कारण यह तांको आनंदमय अनुभव प्रदान करिथाए। Why does the poet start and end the poem with the word away? कवि कहीं की पोएम आरंभ रे और शेष रे अवे शब्द को व्यवहार करछंती। The poet uses the word away at the start and at the end because he wants to free the body and mind from busy life. What does the poet want the reader to do? कवि पाठक मान को कौन करबा को इच्छा प्रकाश करछंती। The poet wants the reader to free themselves from busy life and fill the life with enjoyment. कवि पाठक मान को व्यस्तबहुल जीवन मुक्त होई आनंदमय जीवन जीवा को इच्छा प्रकाश करछंती। Do you like running through the meadow? तुम्हें घास पड़िया मध्य देई दौड़िबा को पसंद करिवो कि? Yes, I like to run through the meadow. हाँ, मो घास गालीचा बा घास पड़िया मध्य देई दौड़िबा को पसंद करिबी। Thank you, children.